Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a 7 day seven oracle messages for you guys for the week from 6th to the 12th of July 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages; they might or might not resonate with you, so don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below, and for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono master class, two links are given below. So let's start. Let me give this deck a really good shuffle, and then I'm going to take the messages one by one. I am not going to shuffle it again and again. Don't worry, I know how this works. Trust me, okay? The overall message for you guys for this week, Sagittarius. Good to go. We have the Nine of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Hard work leads to great success. A love for the beautiful things in life. If you guys have been working hard on a project or something from quite a long time now, your hard work is going to succeed. You guys are going to get good results, and your dreams are going to get fulfilled in some way. Yeah, the results of your manifestation will also start working out in your favor. A love for beautiful things in life is going to get enhanced. For 6th of July, we have the Seven of Ariel. You have invested wisely, have patience, and wait for the harvest. Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. Okay. So you might have invested or worked for something quite wisely, and now have patience, wait for the results. You are going to get good results. Don't worry about it. Don't do anything stupid, just in impatient or just in hurry. Okay. Review your progress, whatever you have done till this now, and make plans for your next chapter. So the same kind of mistakes, the same kind of issues, the same kind of challenges or blockages that you might face in your next chapter, in your next project or whatever, make sure you are not going to make those kind of things again, those mistakes or issues again, obstacles or challenges, because you have already done fantastically, and you have learned too. Okay, so use all those lessons in your favor into the next chapter. Oh my god, this is hard. 7th of July, we have the Three of Michael. Release the past. You will grow from this situation. Time heals all wounds. There is something from your past that you're still holding on to, something or someone. Until unless you guys are going to release the past, you will not be able to grow in your life as a person, as a soul. Okay? You will grow from the situation only when you will be able to release the past properly. Time will heal all the wounds. It's an illusion that with time we get healed, until unless we are going to make the fair awareness kind of energy, until unless we are going to make the necessary actions happen, it's going to be very difficult for us to heal with time as well. I'm so pissed off with this monsoon season. It really triggers my oily skin energy. Not energy, oily skin, and I start getting pimples, man. This is not the age of to have pimples. I'm fucking 37. So we have 6, 7, 8. We have the Knight of Michael. Time to move quickly. Choose logic over emotion, sudden changes. If you guys are going to sit with your emotions and not seeing the logical side of a situation, you might end up missing a good opportunity. You might be presented with some kind of opportunity, Sagittarius, but if you guys are not going to move quickly and you are going to choose emotions over logic, it can be a missed opportunity. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have the Four of Gabriel. Time for a celebration, abundant rewards for hard work. Release yourself from burdensome situation. You can only grow as a person, as a soul, when you are going to release yourself from the burdensome and heavy situations that you have been in the past. Until unless you guys are going to release and heal properly whatever is bothering you, whatever is stopping you from moving forward, you guys will not be able to move forward. Okay, your hard work is going to get paid. The theme of this week for you guys is your hard work leading to great success in the coming future. Okay, this is the theme. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th, we have the Emperor. Stability and efficiency of some kind is coming in this week, on this particular day. Taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. As long as you are going to keep a situation uh, settled, keep the situation, keep a situation managed. As long as you are going to be in charge of a situation, things are going to be fine for you. There are like chances of stability, and there are chances of your ambitious plans starting to work out in your favor. And if you have already planned something, this is the time for you to take the action in that direction now. Okay, so we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. 11th, we have the 6 of Michael. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. You guys might be continuously struggling with seeing any kind of positivity in your life right now. The time has come for you to understand that worst is over. Now start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans. Start living your life from the start. Okay, whatever happened happened. You cannot change it, Sagittarius. No matter how saintly, godly, spiritual, or religious kind of a person we are, we cannot change the past. All we can do is we can make peace with the past, and for that we have to start seeing the positive in life. If we are going to be continuously focused on the negatives and on the past, we can't move forward. Relocation or travel is also possible on this day if you want to. There are good chances of that, and it's going to be quite fruitful. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12th of July, we have the Ace of Gabriel, a gift of passion, opportunity, and inspiration. You are going to have the passion, the opportunity, and inspiration to go ahead and start or restart something, do something about a situation, the chance to do something amazing, a sense of wonder. You are going to be amazed when you are going to go ahead. In spite of the obstacles and challenges, you are going to be amazed with the kind of results you are going to get, and it's going to make you feel like a sense of wonder, like a kid. That's cool, that's good. The overall message as guidance for this week, we have the Chariot. Determination and self control are very important for you guys for this week, in order to have the kind of career advancement and success that you want in your life. People are going to acknowledge your success, your determination, and your hard work. Don't do anything just to show off to people. Do everything just to make yourself happy, just to make yourself feel at peace, okay, and ease. And everything else, everyone else will follow. Okay. So this is what I have for you for this week, Sagittarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.